Hey everybody, Anthony for Before Adventures. So I thought it was time to upgrade. We've got one of these in the Hilux because, you know, going out doing all the rough tracks and that, more chance we're going to damage a tyre. And once you've got a 2-inch lift, your standard jack's going to struggle a bit. And of course you've got that rough terrain to deal with. So Pack Off-Road have got this Australian made molded tough plastic jack base that you can put your original equipment jack on, which you'll want to always make sure is accessible. For me, just move the towel open up there and I can get the jack out. It's got full access there, same in the other vehicles. For a long time I've had this sleeper. I'll get it out of there. It's wrapped in rags because what happens when you need to change tires, you need rags. It's just a piece of sleeper, but you know what, bit dodgy, not a bad idea. I've had it for years and I thought, you know what, when you really need it, this is what you want. So time to upgrade. Have a look at that. Wait till I unwrap it. Just a little bit of difference, yeah. I mean, you know, you can even see it's been used and how the jack was pushing on one side and not the other. So, you know, kind of, you know, uneven terrain. It is always going to be a bit dangerous using any sort of jack, especially on uneven ground. So this was an important upgrade that, you know, I really wanted for any trip, especially, you know, as you get older and wiser. So at 99 bucks each is the normal price anyway. So, you know, check out the website if you want. Or I just went down to Freight Drive, Tyre Marine, got in contact with them first. They said, hey Stu, I'll come and see you, pay you a quick visit, and had a look at some. He's got some water tanks and stuff as well. Basically Australian made, you know, the stuff made out of plastic, water tanks, this, probably some other things coming down the line, so stay tuned. But yeah, out with the old. If anyone wants that, that's for free. I'm going to toss that out. And yeah, a bit of quality if we need it. Thanks for watching, just a quick video, and hopefully that'll fit in the same spot. Comes with a nice bag to put it in, so when it's all dusty and dirty out of the mud, chuck it in the bag, because the bag could be clean. You can throw it back in your car anywhere. And there it is, beautiful, fits in just nicely. Still a bit of room down the side for me to put things like my diesel knockout fuel additive that I do use in the 120, few bottles of that along there, and then we'll stuff the rags in there, because rags come in handy when you need to do repairs, that sort of thing. Good little spot for it. Beautiful. Anyway, beautifully tucked away, nice and secure. A bit of fuel additive, some rags, and something else can go on top of that. Beautiful. Quick video. I recommend you have one if you're going to travel places off-road, because of the extra height of your vehicle and that stability you need to use the factory jack. Thanks for watching. Maybe catch you on the next video. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn the bell on, and we'll see you then. Ciao.